Hey YouTube, so today I'm going to do a quick video box opening on a Ultra HD 2.7K from Amazon. It's a little $100 camera, but I wanted to get something that I could use in the workshop here. It's a little bit better than what I have been using. Try to set up a rig that I could move around real easily. So this just arrived today and I thought I would go over it. I've seen some other YouTube videos about it. Some of them are good, some of them are bad. But I just tried to stick with what I needed out of it, so that's what I'm going to use it for, and just thought I would show you what I find. Okay, Ultra HD 2.7K. This is a UHD 2.7, a 3-inch touch panel. Pause recording, okay. 36 megapixels, 16x digital zoom, LED digital light, and anti-shake. Okay. Stereo microphone. Okay. Adopt XY stereo pickup technology, clear and stable sound image localization, built-in plus 20 decibel and negative 10 decibel sensitivity switch, satisfies different recording occasions, built-in low-cut filter switch for effective ambient low frequency noise reduction, RFI shielding technology can effective reduce the interference of mobile phone signal. Okay. Low power warning function, remind you to replace the battery timely. Built-in rechargeable battery, the battery charging interface is mini USB, the charger can be charged. Okay. Shockproof design effectively reduces the mechanical noise. Using standard shoe connector, secure and easy for installation. Using standard 3.5mm mini stereo connector for signal output. Let's see. Okay, this is the you put your camera here. Apparently this helps reduce the shaking, or it's supposed to. This is the battery. This is a 3.7 800 milliamp hour battery. That's obviously a charger. So I got here. There. What is this HDMI? Oh, this is an HDMI. This is cool. Might be able to. Well, I don't know if I can plug that into my computer and get an input signal from it. I'm not sure. Oh, and here's the microphone. Okay. It's got power. Alright. And remote control. This should come in handy. Another battery. That's a charging cable. This is the microphone cable. Oh, this is the lens shield. Help reduce glare. Okay. And there's the camera. It's not too big. So it's a bit loose. That's fine. Screen. Okay. That's where the battery and the card go. Okay. So I have a 4GB card here. It's empty. Looks like it goes in that way, according to a little diagram. I don't know if these batteries are charged at all or not. Okay, looks good. Oh my. So, let's see. Under photo video mode, press mode key twice to open the system menu. Okay, let's try that. There we go. Found it. Okay. Date and time setting. Set date. 2020. So this thing was made about a year ago. Let's see. What is this? ABC. Oh, English. Right. Got it. What's this? Oh, power save. I'll set it for 5 minutes. Volume? Yes. What's this? Oh, microphone mode, I guess? Frequency. I'll have to look at that. TV out. TC. Oh, here we go. Format, yes. Please wait. Ta-da! Okay, good. Back to camera. Okay. Once you read the instructions, it all comes together. Let's take the lens cap off. Alright. Well, I guess I'll set this thing up and see how it does. Yeah, I'm just having trouble figuring it out. After I formatted the SD card, I had to power it down and power it back up. So that might be something of note to somebody. I'm using the internal mic on this camera right now. I'm going to switch to the external one. Okay, I've got the new camera set up. I have the external mic plugged in. I've tested it with the internal microphone and it's okay. I mean, this one, I got it set for the highest decibel rating, which is 20. I kind of like it that way because even though the other one, the lowest one, is probably the best sounding, it's too quiet. For the videos, I have to talk too loud. And setting it this way, I don't have to worry about anything. Also, I have the low filter turned on as well. I'm not sure if that's doing any good or not. I have laundry going in the background, so you can probably hear that. This is the zoom feature. Yes, there's my eyeball. Looks like it works. Jerky when you use it, and I think this is infrared mode. Oh, I probably have to restart the camera. Let me try that. Yeah, so this is infrared mode. The zoom still works, so I'll be able to film things at night if I need to. So that's kind of cool. This is interesting. You can almost see where the aluminum is rubbed off better with the infrared. Right there, you can see it. Some there, and some there. Yeah, that's the stuff I have to clean off. I was watching a video that says to take some muriatic acid on a ear swab and just kind of rub it off. Just make sure you don't get it in the ports. So, fortunately, I don't know. Doesn't look like I have anything near the ports. But yeah, I need to fix my motor, and I just wanted a better camera to do it with. But yeah, this is going to be my basic shop camera. So I just want to check it out, see how it works, let you know how it works, so you can decide whether or not you want to get one. It only costs around, this was $110 plus tax, and I think the shipping was free. I don't remember. It was through Amazon. So I actually think I paid a total of around $130. But I'll leave it up to you. I mean, I've seen other cameras that do have better quality, but this one has the functionality I need as well. It is some decent quality too. Okay, so here's the camera. I'll put together, well, what the stuff I want to put on it. I'm not sure if I'm going to use this stuff or not. Basically, just this screws on to this, which screws on to this. Alright, let's see. This in here. Yeah, I just screwed this on and it's kind of loose. So, I mean, a trick I used with my tripod here was I was able to pop this off and I put a couple of washers, really thin washers underneath. That's what that's for. That certainly looks cool. Alright. Well, there's the little beast. Hopefully I'll do many videos with it. Well, I think that's it for this video. Probably my next video will obviously be working on the motorized bike. I want to get that motor fixed and working again. I have a lot of fun riding that. And the Grunt Monster was actually a really good motor. The only caveat that I ran into with it was I don't have the right kind of muffler set up, so I don't get the kind of power I could. On the other hand, if I was getting that kind of power around here, I'm worried I'd get pulled over. As it is, the police haven't bothered me because I really don't go that fast. I replaced the motor on my motorized bike because the BikeBerry motor finally failed. And so I bought a Grunt Monster because I wanted something with a little bit more power, a little bit more durability. Unfortunately, I got stranded somewhere without oil, and I bought whatever oil I could find at a gas station, which happened to be rather low quality oil. And after a little while that burned the motor out. I wasn't aware of that. That's one of the reasons you use high quality oil in motors, two-cycle motors, is because I think the person explained it to me that the cheap oil has too low a flash point, so it doesn't keep the engine as cool as it should. So you want to use higher quality oil that doesn't burn quite so easily. It's got a higher flash point, so it'll help keep the engine cool. So lesson learned. I want to fix this and then probably stick to either my regular decent quality oil or fork out some extra cash and buy some Opti oil. I don't remember exactly what kind it is, but it's Opti 2-cycle oil. It's supposed to be really good and it's very expensive. So, but that should be my next video. Hey, thanks for watching. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more, click the subscribe button as I do videos on a regular basis. Also, consider supporting this channel by clicking the Patreon link below. Every little bit helps, even $1 a month, and I'd really appreciate it if you did. Take care and have a good day.